Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the frog pet in Grow a Garden 2. So in Grow a Garden 2, you can collect different pets that have unique abilities to help you during gameplay. And one of these pets is Frog. This one. It's so cute. And to get it, you need to keep an eye on the map because pets spawn randomly in different locations. Just walk around to the map and just buy the pet. If you find it, it costs 10,000 cycles. So make sure you have enough cycles and then just buy it as soon as possible before it disappears. And this frog pet has ability to boost your jump height by 5. It will making it easier to move around the map and reach certain area faster. So that's how you can get the frog pet in Grow a Garden 2. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!